Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Trading Wars. Brother, what is up?
What's going on, man? I'm excited. I'm exhausted, but we made it.
We
Another
made it.
day in the crypto wars.
We have been having fun in the background. Just as a reminder, and we'll remind you this, we got a couple things going on today along with Trading Wars, but the NFT contracts just got deployed. We will drop. Do you want to drop that into the chat, Crusader? You probably should. That's probably a good idea. Yeah, you're muted. You are muted.
Damn it. I said I will share the QR code here. You guys can scan it, click on it. It should show up as a link in the chat. You click on it, it'll take you there, and you can mint the NFTs. The NFTs are out and ready to go.
So real quick, before we bring the contestants up, let me first of all recognize our sponsors. Thank you to Market Cypher. If you want 20% off on Market Cypher, the link is in the description. As always, thank you to ZoomX. They've provided all of the liquidity for the traders to be able to trade. The traders are not specifically identified as being sponsored by ZoomX. Crypto Wars, our channel, is sponsored by ZoomX. And then don't be stupid, use high IQ. So thank you to our sponsors. We love you guys. We appreciate you as always. Crusader, you want to go over the rules real quick, and then I'll touch on the couple other things?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You can trade everything. Minimum has to be a billion market cap, right? 1 billion market cap is the minimum.
Not 1 million, 1 billion.
Not 1 million, yeah, 1 billion. That's for the traders on the show. Everybody watching at home that wants to participate and hits the link in the chat, signs up and joins, they can trade absolutely anything they want. 30 days for the entire competition of this season. The traders can P&Ls only count. They can trade outside of the show, but their P&Ls only count for the 1 hour on the show. We're keeping track of that very stringently this time on this season. So make sure that, make sure there's good leverage between the audience and the pro traders that are coming on the show. And outside of that, I mean, I think that's about it.
Yeah, the audience can trade against the traders. You guys can trade 24/7. You can trade any assets you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That gives you a huge advantage. It looks like I'm double checking with ZoomX, and I'll confirm this during the show. But I was waiting for a message back, but it looks like somebody won by quite a bit from the audience. So I'm confirming that in the background, and we're going to announce that this afternoon with the confirmation from them, but it looks like they did. So shout out to that person. Looks like they won $1,000, and you can win 1,000 again this time. Last thing before I bring the traders up, the NFTs, like we said, the QR code, you can scan the QR code. It is there for you. They are 0.2 ETH each. Each trader is giving something specific with it, whether it be combination of one-on-ones, free lifetime access to Discord. There's just a whole bunch of things going on. But on top of that, no matter the person that wins, you're going to get from myself and Crusader. Let me back that up. If you get my NFT or you get Crusader's NFT, you're going to be able to come on to Flipper Hodl, which you guys will see again in a little bit if you haven't seen that, to come on to win at least $1,000. It'll probably be higher of an opportunity than that. And the winning trader, if you get the winning trader, you're also going to come on live to be able to play Flipper Hodl in combination with all the other.
Along with the 25% of the mint.
Oh, yeah. And you get 25% of the mint. I wasn't even thinking about that. That's kind of a minor detail.
That'll minor detail. No big deal. Just 25% of the mint, where if you get to mint or buy the winner at the end of the season.
All right. Let me announce my team. Sorry, we've kept them backstage. We apologize, guys. Team keeper, starting off, Kelly Kellum. Kelly, glad to see you, bro.
Good to see you, man. Thanks for having me. It's I've been waiting for this all day. I feel like I'm coming to the party, so it's good.
Heck yeah, dude. Glad that you're here. We've got a veteran returning, Crypto Crow. I picked him twice in a row. Come on, Crow. Be my horse.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Crow turned into somebody from Family Guy.
I just had a root canal today, man. I'm good.
Ugh, that sucks. Forrest from Sistine Research. What's up, Forrest?
What's up, guys? Thanks for having me on.
Good to see you. AJ writes crypto in the house. AJ, what up?
Another day in the life, my friend. What can I tell you? Let's get it.
Let's get it. And last but not least, your boy Frankie Candles. Candle Mafia, what up?
What's going on? I'm pumped, dude. I've been looking forward to this. It's gonna be a good time.
I see lots of candles in chat. Gentlemen, it's 2:59. We always let you start at least a minute or two early so you guys can jump into trades at will. Remember, 1 billion market cap or higher. I think that's the top 50 right now. So let us know if you're jumping into a trade, any type of leverage you want. Just, let's have some freaking fun. Listen, Crusaders team is down right now. So let's kick them while they're down, because that is the mentality of Team Keeper.
Look, I had a meeting with my team. I told them, take it easy on Team Keeper this second season. The first season, they got spanked. I don't want Keeper to lose interest in the show and stop making the show again. So, got to give you guys some leeway.
We are going to drop your team the same way I'm going to drop my opponent at Karate Combat. So, let's get it.
So I'm already in a trade, just so you know.
All right, Crow's in a trade. AJ, I'm not allowed to announce it yet. So, as soon as I
excuse
can,
me.
I will. Crow, what you got?
So what I did was I went over to Masari.io because I thought, well, trading Bitcoin's kind of boring. So I wanted something like really volatile to degen with.
Mm-hmm.
And so I checked the volatility scores, and then I picked Rune. Rune is either going to treat you really, really, really well, or it's going to treat you really, really, really bad. And literally the second I placed my order, it reversed on me. Like like my button push was the reversal trigger. And so I'm negative 282 right now on a 10x trade. So we'll see what happens. But I think it should come back down.
Okay. So you shorted Rune.
We'll see. I went short on it.
On the whole account?
Yep.
10x on the whole account.
And Rune went long.
He went short and Rune said, not happening.
Hey, man, this is a great start for my team. I'm loving it.
Well, listen, your team had something similar happen with a couple of their contenders as well. So looking forward to see how that plays out. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't mean to pull that up there. All right. So Crow is in a 10x. So he's in a $10,000 trade right now as we speak.
Here's the thing. If this goes against me too much, I'm going to just close out of it. And I'm confident that now that I'm paying attention, I'm in the, because I did as soon as I got home from my root canal and I saw it, I'm like, I'm just hitting it. I'm waiting for everything to get set up. But I turned what was left of my last account from like 300 to 900. And like, it's been what, a week? Like, yeah. So I've been just, man, for whatever it is, if I have to start with 300 less, I'm still whooping everyone's ass. So it's all good.
I like it.
Don't laugh at me, Frankie. I see that.
I didn't know that we were able to enter trades beforehand. I was eyeballing along on XRP. So that is actually, that may be what I'm looking at. If I'm able to get a little bit of a retracement. Let me see if I can share my screen here.
Crusader, you hear him? Long on XRP. You killed us yesterday, Crusader, on shorting XRP. So maybe Frankie can bring my team up.
Yeah, well, I was going to say Crusader might like this. I am actually short on my actual account on XRP. That is up like 650%. So there you go, bro. I'm actually short on XRP. But I might go for a little bit of a scalp long on XRP in just a minute. I just don't want to. I may wait for a little bit of a retracement here before I get in. But I will be targeting these naked volume and time pointer controls up here at about 64 cents. But I will be just scalping that for the show or just the competition. And then I will probably close it out pretty quickly. And I will, just for anybody curious, I will be holding my XRP short as it does look like we could potentially come down a little bit lower.
Okay.
He said it perfectly. I'm telling you, XRP only pumps in a short, brief amount of time, and then it goes instantly back down. And the only time to make money is those little tiny pumps, and the rest of the time just short that thing to zero because it doesn't go up at all.
Well, I got news for you. I'm about 400% up on my total XRP account, and I've been in that thing for
for like 6 years.
For a few years. Oh shoot! Hey, chat. Shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you guys for being here. It is Thursday. You could have been anywhere, but you're hanging out with your boys at Crypto Wars here, watching Trading Wars. We did rebrand. For those of you that didn't know, we just rebranded. Super excited about it. Just kind of making the change. We got the bulletproof vests. We've got Trading Wars. We've got our show Flipper Hodl. We're really making a lot of changes around here. It seems like people have been really enjoying that. So thank you guys all for the support. And just throwing it out there, we are doing tomorrow. Ben Coin is going to be giving away up to $1,000 on our show Flipper Hodl. So we're super excited about that. That is our version of Deal or No Deal that we have crafted and put together. I say we, Crusader actually did the legwork on putting the game together because he's the techie man.
I'm the slave.
Yeah, if you guys want to throw a super chat in, for every $1 of a super chat that you guys put, we'll put you on the wheel. Just letting you guys know that. And then we'll spin that wheel and you'll be able to, somebody is going to come on live and have the opportunity to win at least, up to $1,000. But hold on. Let's say tomorrow somebody wins. Let's say David wins 500 tomorrow. The next time we play, There will be another sponsor, which will be putting 1,000, plus we'll still have the 500 of Bencoin sitting there, so it'll be 1,500. And that could stack exponentially, so these numbers could get huge. So if you guys want to get on there, just drop us a super chat. I'll be paying attention to the super chats and tossing those names onto the wheel as we trade. So just throwing that out there. All right, gentlemen. What Forrest was on the other day. Let me hit you real quick. So Forrest was on for a 1v1. I believe that was on Tuesday. Yeah, that was on Tuesday. And Forrest went into like 20 trades, 20. And he was trading strong tokens versus what he thought were weak tokens. And during the show, he ended up losing, quote, a couple bucks, quote, losing. But I got some interesting texts from Forrest. One was about at midnight, telling me, I think you said we mobbing, which Forrest, shout out to you. I was cracking up when I when I saw that. And how did that turn out, Forrest? Are you still in those trades on some of those, or how's that looking?
Yeah. I think I'm sharing my screen here. So, they're just baking, right? Directionally, we were at a point on Tuesday where I think we saw some liquidations. We saw a large drawdown in the market, and Bitcoin was just in a dicey area. And I didn't want to bet directionally, right? I don't want to bet on the market going up or down. So I just pair traded everything. So I just went 2x long on a variety of coins that have been performing well. INJ, Solana. I've got a long on FraxShare, Luvium, DYDX. And the two big winners for me were actually Rune and Caspa. So both of those pumped pretty hard over the last couple of days, made strong recoveries. And I just paired those off with shorts of coins that, you know, I felt would sit still or not do anything, or not really participate to the upside. And that was like SHIB, Sandbox, ApeCoin, DOT, you know, Aave. Actually, the worst performer of my shorts has actually been Sushi. Sushi's bounced back quite a bit, but and then today, so far, I just opened up a Celestia long. I actually have one of these in my my personal account. I opened it today on the retest of our prior downtrend breakpoint at around $5.50, and we kind of have since been reclaiming the downtrend lines and shooting back up into the range. So as soon as we went live here, I just popped it open at 604, and it's actually still running to 620 right now. So that one's in profit. We'll see if that holds. You know, a little bit late to the trade. I would have liked to get in earlier, but gotta wait for the show to start, right?
Well, I'm looking at your account right now, and it looks like you're already up about $25, $26, something like that. Actually, a little bit more than that on the show. So you are in the positive since the show started. So congrats to you. I want to give a big shout out real quick. Army Piper with a $20 super chat said, "Put one of your deserving viewers' names on these. Givers gain. Much love." Thank you very much, Army. That's much appreciated. We will pick somebody to put on the wheel for 20 times. How the hell did blood just show up on my freaking stream here? What?
It's Kelly. It's Kelly here from the Bit Lab. Just want to let you guys know. Listen, man, AVEX is going up to the moon. And I got a measured move from the bottom of my leg to my third leg. I mean, guys, look, Bit Lab, baby, Bit Lab.
Oh my gosh.
It makes me think of that Joe Pesci Saturday Night Live. You are black and I am white. Your blind is a bat and I've got sight.
I literally was on a different screen, putting a super chat down real quick. Dave Digital, shout out to you, said, "No pressure, Frank, but don't F this up." I just want to throw that out there. All right?
Shout out to Dave Digital. I just saw him in the chat, said my stuff was backwards. I heard you guys say that before. I just fixed it, though. Shout out to Dave Digital.
Thank you. But yeah, so I switched back onto the screen, and I'm like, what the hell, Kelly? Nice tan, bro. Like, I just, a huge difference, just like that.
Hitting that beach, son.
All right, AJ, haven't heard from you. Have you been trading yet?
Watching it. I'm looking at the coins. Well, I'm in. I'm
AJ's
looking at
watching it like RedTube.
So obviously I'm looking at the coins that have the most volume, 24-hour turnover that was being commonly traded a lot. AVAX and Render are the two charts I have my eye on.
Same two I'm watching.
Yep. See, there you go. Smart mind. And I was thinking about maybe longing Render, trying to be patient with it. Let's give it a sec.
Looking for an entry, waiting for it to cook, as Forrest says. He's got it cooking in the background there. Just waiting on it. Cool. Army, $2 super chat said what Dave means is don't piper this. Well, Army, you can't win them all, bro. You did have a rough day. You know what I'm
He
saying?
was doing really well.
But he was doing really well. I know he was.
He was doing really well. But then I challenged him. With that XRP,
with XRP. Yeah, he did.
Move.
It was XRP's fault. Blame it on XRP.
That's right. XRP ruins everything.
He drank the Kool-Aid and it got ugly quick. That's right. Hey, smash the like. We got about 160 people in here. If you have not done that, it's free. If you're on mobile, just X out of the live chat, smash the like, come right back in, and make sure you're following all these creators. Kelly, Crow, Forrest, AJ, Frankie. They're coming on here having fun under the worst trading conditions. And I want to be clear about this. We are pushing traders to do what we tell you not to do, which is, hey, you got to trade right now, right?
He's in, all in, 20x.
And so we're doing it for entertainment. But the reality is a lot of the traders, most of the traders have been able to be profitable even under those circumstances. So these are people that you should be paying attention to if you're trying to learn how to trade. And they all do different things. They all trade differently. They all offer different opportunities to each and every one of you. So make sure to follow them, figure out what works for you, put a game plan together, and have some fun. You can use our link and sign up, and somebody's going to win $1,000. Crusader, I'm gonna flip over to check on ZoomX real quick to see if we got that info yet.
Go ahead. I just want to quickly remind people, everybody in the poll in the chat wanted to find out how they can win 0.6 of an ETH, right? A little bit over half an ETH. It's through the NFTs, guys. You buy the NFTs, and if you get the NFT of the winning trader at the end of the season, then you will win 25% of the mint, which is 0.6 ETH. That's how you get the 0.6 ETH, guys. Picking it's your own little fantasy draft of the trading competition. See which trader is going to win, and every trader out here is come up to commit something, right? I believe Army Piper is giving access to Chart Prime, to their Discord, right? Different little things here and there. So everyone's going to be getting some type of bonus on top of the 0.6 ETH, and being able to come on to Flip or HODL as well to have another chance to win an extra $1,000. So there's a lot of money to be made out here in this show. So just take advantage of it.
If you get my NFT, I'm giving away a Snapchat picture of my feet.
Nice.
That should drive sales really well.
Well, I'm buying it now. I'm going to figure out. I'm going to buy them all up just so I can get that, Crow. How do they get your entire foot in one NFT? That's what
aerial photography.
Aerial. Yeah, it's a drone. It's drone footage. That's right.
What size shoe are you, Crow?
Now 14.
Okay.
I was gonna guess 15.
I was 16 in high school.
What?
Jesus.
Whose feet shrink?
It's not my feet that shrink. My toes are all bent, but I have hammer toes now because I grew too fast for my shoes and I was too poor to afford new ones. So I just had to deal with it.
Oh, damn. That's interesting.
You got the Chinese treatment where your toes are bent over.
Oh, yeah, like a dancer, a Chinese dancer.
Yeah. Hey, shout out to Bubba's Crypto. $10 super chat. We got you on the wheel, brother. Bubba's Crypto says, great panel. Love to see you all. Candle Mafia in the house. Good luck, Frankie. And then Creighton C with a $5 super chat said, we do what we are not supposed to do anyway. Isn't that the truth? Right?
Isn't that the truth?
Isn't that the truth? I've been being told forever, don't be emotional when you trade, Keeper. And I'm like, okay, no problem. And then I'm like, come on, baby. It's still going to pump. It's good. And he's like, what technicals are you looking at? And I'm like, bro, I feel it.
It's all emotions. It's 2023. Oh, we got honest in the chat. I thought Honest was supposed to show up today.
Honest, my man, you said you was going to come on and harass my team, but my team is just too good for that. So they're going to beat up anyway. All right, so let me check in. Kelly, have you entered any trades?
I had one AVAX trade that I closed out of at about a $20 loss. I was playing a short, and I had the stop loss just before where I could actually show you on my screen.
Okay,
I was trying to
stopped out pretty quick.
Yeah, pretty quick. But I set it right to where. Here we go. I set it right to where the previous this basically breakdown point was on the on the rise up. Looking here, I was looking very, very small time frame, which I do not recommend for a lot of people, especially here on the one minute. I was watching this price right here with the stochastics very high, basically just taking a shot right in here, and I had my stop loss roughly about right here, so I lost about $20.
Okay.
But you know what, I might take another swing at that one because it's looking like the market even with this render. I was potentially looking for a long because it's a little inverted head and shoulders, but this is getting invalidated fairly quickly. So I may be flipping short on this. This is what happens when you're trading the 3-minute chart.
Dude, it's what happens when two guys create a show that forces you to come on and trade, but you're having fun with it. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying? We can hopefully, just thank ZoomX for all the profits when it's all over. So, all right. So Kelly's been in and out of a trade, down a couple bucks. Crow, how is that beating that was going on at first? Is that getting better?
Yeah, it's getting a little better. It's funny because if I would have actually paid attention to my levels, I wouldn't have entered the trade. I'm like, I know why it reversed on me now that I'm actually looking at my other chart, not just this exchange. But yeah, I mean, it's coming back down. It's about half of where it was.
Okay.
So
it's going in the right direction.
Negative 145 instead of 340. So,
well, hey, listen, I like that for sure.
I actually set my profit at 5.945. That's kind of what I'm looking at if it were to go all the way.
Okay. Good luck on that, brother. Let me check in with Frankie.
Chat.
What'd you say?
Chat here in the chat says, brought the whole mafia with us, Frank. $5 super chat. Put him on the wheel, baby. Let's go.
I just put him on the wheel and forgot to mention him. So my bad, Jonah. I appreciate the love, but I've got you on the wheel, brother. You are there and ready for it for Flipper Hodl. Reminder, that's going to be tomorrow. We've got actually long-time listener, part of our DCA fam, David Brumblebow is going to come on tomorrow. Good luck to him. Super excited about bringing him on the show tomorrow. And like I said, those numbers could get exponentially bigger, but David also might come on and win the 1,000 right off the rip. That's what I'm rooting for that for him, because that's what I want to see happen. I love seeing, people smiles and making some money, but it is a tough game. Let's just be fair. It's a tough game. So we're excited to play it. All right. So Frankie, did you end up executing on a trade?
Yes, I did. Let me
see what you got going on.
Screen real quick. So I did take the XRP scalp long.
Okay.
Which let me pull up the actual. Where did the actual trade go? I believe it is down a tad bit here, down $13. I do think it will kind of took it, to be honest. So I'll bring up TradingView real quick. I was waiting for a retracement, and then I just wound up jumping in. So I actually might add to this if we come back down. Okay. But basically what I saw here was a down here on the 30-minute time frame, we are starting to get slight bullish divergence here on market cipher B as we came into a golden pocket. And kind of what I'm looking at here now is for a potential pullback. If we come back down into this golden pocket 786, I may add to the position. I probably, just to kind of maybe give some people insight here, I probably should have waited to enter, right? So I entered right here. I was instantly in profit, but we went for the bigger retracement. I probably should have waited for that retracement. Just goes to show that patience winds up paying you more often than not. And when you're trading like the 1 minute, the 3 minute, you're going to have to go through some drawdown at some point.
Yeah, there's definitely going to be some back and forth. AJ, what's crack-a-lacking, brother? What's up?
I'm cruising,
how you doing,
man? I'm plugged in right now. I'm not even in this world.
Okay,
but I'm trying.
We'll leave. We will leave
quickly
you be.
Remind the chat, smash those likes. Let's get 100 likes, guys. We got almost 200 people in here. Let's get to 100 likes. Let's smash those likes.
Lee says, well, he says Jesus Coin has been a blessing, so I wanted to share some love. Thank you for everything you do. God bless. Lee, I'm going to toss you on the wheel. Thank you for the super chat. Appreciate you. We will get you on the wheel. How do I spell his last name, Crusader?
I would say just put Lee. I don't think we have a lot of Lees here.
Well, I don't want to do that. How do I spell it?
KHOLAFAI.
Okay, cool. Cool. Somebody else is going to come on with a name like Lee and be like, wait a minute, it was me. We'll be like, I forgot what
Army Piper with another $5 super
Good
chat
gracious.
Says, it's rough being on the opposite team of Frankie and Kelly. Love these dudes and cheering the enemy on. LOL.
Another $5 from
Put
Frank
that man
or from
on the
Army.
wheel,
Thank you, Army. We appreciate you, bro. We are having some fun up in here.
We need some scotch. What do you mean?
What? Scotch.
Need a drink.
People trying to make money. People trying to get on that wheel.
That's right. We got about 200 people in here. We need people to smash those likes. I know we don't have 200 likes. I'm hoping we have 100 at least, though. Let's shoot for 150 likes. We got 200 people in here. It's free, guys. It takes
Let's go.
2 seconds.
We just hit 100 likes. Let's go. Let's keep it pumping,
Let's
baby.
go. Let's keep those likes pumping, guys. I know it's annoying us asking, but the reality is it's what tells YouTube you guys like what's going on. Also, want to shout out our Twitter right quick, if I can.
That's how YouTube knows what to censor.
Oh, I don't want to show that. Hold on a second. Let me cancel that. I was about to show like a private message that I didn't want to show there. You know, I got a lot of people sliding in up in
Hey,
subscriptions.
keeper,
That's
it's
right.
bigger than I thought it was.
Got a lot of people sliding into these DMs over here. Make sure that you follow us on Twitter at Crypto Wars OG. That's where you're going to get all the updated information on what's going on, not just here with Trading Wars, but also with Flipper Hodl. And we like to have some fun over here on Twitter. So follow us here where you can get all of the up-to-date information.
And share out that tweet. Let everybody know what's happening over here with the Trading Wars. Scroll down. Show them the tweet.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes,
Come
sir.
on.
I'm sorry.
I know you can do it.
I failed miserably. All right. Here we go. All right. So, yeah, if you guys could share out the tweet right here, we've got Crypto Wars. Watch Team Keeper go savage mode. And that's what we're trying to do. Got all of the people on here. Crusader, while we're just real quick, while we got some people cooking and baking, whose NFT do we want to just preview? Just because they don't know which one they're going to get. They know that they're going to get to come on the show live and spin for at least $1,000, or I mean, not spin, but actually play for $1,000. They know that they're going to get, you know, either one-on-one combined with lifetime specials, combined.
Why don't we let the chat decide? Let the chat decide.
All right.
Whose NFTs do you guys want to see? Whoever's name we see the most on the chat. Because I was gonna pull a poll out, but the poll only allows 4, doesn't allow for 5. So obviously somebody wouldn't be able to be included. So let the chat decide who they want to see: Crows, Kelly's, AJ's, Forrest, or Frankie Candles NFT, and I'll show it.
Crypto Chef looks pretty excited about seeing crows. I mean, he's like, crows, show crows.
To be fair, he's kind of like a personal assistant who helps me with a lot of stuff. So he might be a little biased. I'll be a little biased.
He's just a little biased.
You gotta love him though.
Crow. We got Kelly, Frankie, Billy Goat. I don't know who Billy Goat is, but
the Billy Goat.
I'm seeing a lot more crows than anything right now. Let's show crows.
Birds of a feather, baby.
Let's show crows. Let's show crows. Crow asked earlier. He wanted to kind of.
I'm actually nervous.
He wanted to get a little look-see.
Give me a second.
We actually did a midget for you, Crow.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
How dare you make fun of my wife, Keeper? She'll fuck you up, man.
I know, bro. I've met her. She's a beautiful, wonderful woman, but I believe she would tear me up. I believe it.
She's in my pocket right now taking a nap. I don't want to wake her.
Got him.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Smash the like if you haven't already while Crusader is pulling that up. Here we go. Boom. Here, let me check it out.
How did you get my build so perfect?
Exactly. That was the hardest part. We couldn't get enough muscle on him to be accurate, so we really had to work that out. So what do you think, Crow? You like it?
I look like I'm ready to rape and pillage for sure.
That's right.
Yes, for sure.
All day.
And we got your crow sitting on the candles, sitting there, ready for it. So
I'm like the next generation of He-Man. Apparently, that's cool.
Yeah. The NFTs have been fun, and I think it's going to be really exciting because the winner not only gets 25% of the mint, the winner also gets that personal interaction with the person that they win. They're going to get some other stuff. They're going to get to come on the show and have the opportunity to win $1,000 or more. I'm excited about them, and there's 12 of them. Literally, guys, there's 12. So
come for the trading, stay for the gay comic books. That's great.
Who said that? That's good. Here it is, right here. BR Rounder. That's a great comment. Come for the trading, stay for the gay comic books. That is fantastic, bro. Shout out to you. Okay, Forrest. How's the cooking going, bro? How's the cooking? How's the kitchen?
We're just kind of hanging. 1154 total account value, so I think we're up a little bit, or maybe break even.
Yeah, you're up about $8 today. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That Celestia trade, just getting punished for jumping in long. The ideal entry point was 550, and I just hopped in because it was pumping. I still think it'll probably move to the upside here, but whether it does that by the end of the show or not is
Forrest. The people want to know how many trades are you in again? Are you in 10 trades again?
Yeah, I'm still in all the same. I never closed any of them from when we started on Tuesday. So, yeah, a dozen or so. They're all just low leverage pair trades, though.
But there is a lot going on there. That's for sure. I was impressed, Forrest. I was telling Crusader after the show, you were able to actively get into 20 trades and give us analysis and talk to me at the same time. You seemed very, 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 very comfortable. You can tell that you trade quite a bit. I was definitely impressed.
Yeah, pretty good.
All right, so Forrest is up just a little bit. Kelly, let me do a quick check-in. Kelly, how are things looking for you, bro?
Things are looking fine. I got AVAX. I'm waiting with the stop limit order. If it does continue to break down, let me go ahead and share my screen.
Yep.
This is kind of a 50-50 if it's going to go one way or the other. That's why I have not entered a trade on AVAX here. But if we break past basically this point again, because we've already come up and tried to confirm this is resistance, we've come up again, but we're seeing just kind of a lack of follow through. So I'm not entering a trade for a short unless we break through this. Now I'm not going to enter along the second this breaks back above this because we're seeing a lot of chop in here. On Render, I am in a trade right now. Currently I'm up $10 on that trade, $12 now. So if this starts breaking down, I'm going to close out right about 299 to between 299 and 285.
Kelly, you got a decent little bit of leverage on that because I saw it jump from like $30 to $6 pretty quickly. You got a decent little bit of leverage on there.
Yeah, just doing a conservative but aggressive 4.9x. I was trying to hit 5x, but just 5x, and I'm doing trying to do less than 5% stop losses automatic, and then I can adjust them if I need to be smaller.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so Kelly's profitable on that trade right now. Crow was on the way back up. Crow, that's still working for you, headed back in the right direction?
It's just kind of hovering, man. I think it's trying to tease the shit out of me. It'll drop to profit as soon as this show's over. You know how I roll. I like to jump in early and hang tight.
Well, hey, we can you're allowed to keep it and make
I'm not leaving until I either get liquidated or I get in the green.
All right.
Let's get it. Dave Digital with another super chat says, what are the highest views and likes so far? We got 224 people in here. We got 130 likes. Let's get to 200 likes, guys. Let's smash those likes.
For sure. And then Army Piper with another. Army's going to go broke just giving away super chats here today. Shout out to Army. $2 says, who are the 16% that don't want free ETH? It's a really good point, right? Like,
that's right.
Everybody wants free ETH. Everybody wants free ETH. All right, so Crow, boom. Just talked to Forrest. AJ was not on planet Earth. Is AJ back to planet Earth?
Yeah, I'm back. So I was down like $100 on a render short that lasted an entirety of 30 seconds, and I'm currently up $93 on a Caspa long 17x, the whole bag.
The whole
up
bag,
$80,
17x.
Cruising
like
it. Might just cancel it now. It is kind of running. I might just ride it for a minute. I'm up $100.
You got your screen pulled up?
Share your screen real quick. We like to see the action.
How do I do that?
Down in the middle, the little share screen down the middle.
Was Caspa?
Caspa's making all-time highs, bro. It's up to like 13 cents or something.
I just can't believe I can't believe its market cap so high because it's still so new.
People have been freaking absolutely killing it, just hand over fist with Caspa over.
You see that?
Yes, sir. We can see it. All right, so you're up about
that's nice.
Yeah, you're up $143 right now, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna ride it for a second.
Hey, that's probably the highest.
That would be the highest. That if you pulled right now, 157, that would be the highest. 163. This would be the highest trade anyone's ever made on the show at one time.
That's a joke. Are you serious?
No, it's not.
No, that's for real.
No,
wow,
that's for real.
I should just pull the plug. No,
I'm
gonna ride it. I don't care. There's this whole middle ground where I don't care.
Okay,
and I'm just gonna ride it. I think
what's your leverage
in
position?
It's gonna test the next high.
He said the whole bag
profile, the point of control is at the last high. So like, it is, 2% away from that. I don't know. It does look like it's kind of curving.
Okay. Well, I wish you the best of luck, AJ. I want to see that big number. Whoops, I just took AJ off instead of his chart. I want to see that number get as high.
One of the key components to winning the show is definitely taking profit.
It really is. It really is. It really is. So
AJ,
as your coach, I'm gonna tell you, you should take that.
Yeah, but I was down $100. I'm not here to play around. I'm gonna get liquidated, or I'm gonna beat everyone by a mile.
Ben Jr. We got Ben Jr. on the show.
What can I say? I was taught by the best, my friend. I take good advice.
I'm with it. But damn, $175 on a trade. I'm
194.
just saying.
It's riding 212. Let's go, baby.
Come on, baby.
212.
Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy,
Ride it.
AJ.
I'm
Don't get
riding it,
greedy.
dude. I'm riding it to the next high. I'm gonna take profits at 500.
At
Why?
500.
Why?
Oh my god.
I am scared. I'm not scared at all. Like this is what I
I'm
do.
not
Like,
scared
I'm
either.
not- This is $200. This is nothing.
I'm not
You know what I
scared
mean? Like,
either.
let's
I'm just
go.
telling you, you've
265, it's riding
eclipsed
up.
the freaking
That
best.
Right.
Come on, baby.
$200 to win the
Yeah,
whole
I gotta
month.
cool
So
this
Dude,
off with my
that is
BitGet
true.
fan.
Dude,
That
you would
is
win
true.
the whole month. You would win the whole month right now from last season.
If you
Just
take
let
Gotta
you know.
profit.
cool the trade off with my BitGet fan, boys. Oh, just got the entry on high IQ on the 30-second chart, my home base. Cool it off
Hell,
with my BitGet fan.
268.
I might-
Good lord,
I might
dude.
even go to sleep with my
Bro.
BitGet iSet and just let it ride for like 20 minutes.
Bro, AJ, can we talk through
AJ
something?
breaking
How about
records,
AJ?
bro.
AJ,
Breaking
slide
records.
up to at least where you're taking $100 right now. Put a stop at least at $100 so that you break even, if nothing else. Do that.
Nah, I'm just gonna ride it.
Oh my god.
Up 317.
Oh my
Let's go. That's how it's done.
All right,
This is
come
what
on,
we
just
do.
slide it up, bro. Just slide it
330.
up. Slide it up, baby.
360. It's still going up. 300.
AJ, I swear
Oh
to
my
God, if you exit out of this trade at some dumb number, come on, Bubba.
Scroll
Slide
down,
it
scroll
up.
down so people can see it.
Scroll up a little bit, AJ, so people can see that P&L rocking and rolling. 349.
350.
Come
Up
on.
40%,
Oh my
baby.
God, dude.
Let's go. This is nothing.
Listen,
I'm gonna double down with the whole
but it-
bag again when I get out of
But
this
we
trade.
don't want it to be nothing,
All right,
so
I
we
all right,
slide.
let's just say I bail. I
Wait.
just hit market. I just hit market.
Slide to the
You should
right.
hit limit. Hit limit.
Well, he could
I
mark
never
it out
traded on
if he
Zumax.
wanted
I don't know
to,
what I'm
but-
doing.
Hit limit. Make sure it's post only. Be able to secure
Is that the price right
Yep.
now?
the most amount of
okay.
profit.
Dude, he could mark it out right now and be fine.
Wait,
All
what?
right, there you
What
go. I
happened?
did
What
it
happens
just
if
for
someone
keeper.
gets completely liquidates their
Boom.
account?
Well, if they get fully liquidated, it's almost a guarantee your team lost because your P&L as a team is
Okay, so
massively
Did he
collapsed.
did he mark it out? He did.
oh, that's true. I never thought
Dude,
of
No,
that.
it's still
AJ.
in, it's still in. I'm canceling it. Hold on.
Scroll down.
Oh, you
scroll down.
canceled it? No. I think you did.
No,
Where
you
is
got
the
you
trade?
jumped out of your
Nope,
order.
you jumped
it
out
says-
of
it.
It says I'm up 354. It's still
Oh
going.
my God, please, please.
All right, I'll market it. I'll market it. So I know how to do that. I don't care.
Boom, bro.
There you go.
AJ,
You're done. Can
hell
I go home
Dude,
early,
yeah.
Dad?
P&L.
Dude.
Show that
Dad,
closed
can I
P&L.
go home?
let me see that. Let me
I'm
see that
tired. I
closed
wanna take a
P&L real
nap.
quick. Let me see that closed P&L. Let me see that closed P&L. Almost $300, dude. AJ,
Yeah,
you literally almost,
$293.
dude. Hell yeah! Can we get a round of applause? Can we get a round of applause?
I
AJ
can
with the
close
big
out of my
move.
losing short.
I love it.
And
Love
you'd
it.
still be up
AJ Wrights
150
Crypto, hit me
bucks.
up on Twitter. That's what
Hell
I do
yeah.
all day.
Hell yeah, bro. I love it.
Breaking
Dude.
records, bro. That is the largest profitable
By a lot.
trade in the show by a lot.
By
Ben
a
had
lot.
the most largest with $107,
Yep.
and this is double that,
Oh,
more than
this
double
is
that.
I'm
almost
sorry.
triple
I
that.
thought we were leverage trading on this show. I didn't know we were trying to nickel and dime our way to the top. I thought we were leverage trading. My bad. I'm sorry, guys. My
All right,
bad.
AJ with a
Sorry about it.
huge win. All right, Frankie,
Biggest trade ever. On
Yes,
the show.
sir.
Closed it.
what are you
go.
doing, brother?
Let's go.
What are we doing?
I am still sitting at about break even on this XRP trade, waiting for it to either pop or stop me out.
All right,
Just-
fantastic.
I should have stayed in it, bro.
Who's gonna buy AJ's NFT, bro? Who's gonna buy AJ's NFT? That's what I want to know.
$5 super chat for Crypto Crank. Crypto Crank, we appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. We will make sure to put you on the wheel. What did you say, Crusader?
Right now, whoever buys AJ's NFT is pretty much guaranteed
Well,
win. I mean,
well,
dude, $293.
it's a
I
big
should have
one.
stayed in. I
Largest
told
by
you guys, I
far.
should have stayed in the trade. It's going to go up to that previous high. Hold on,
Dude,
can I share
You
my
can always
tab?
jump
Look.
in. You can always jump into another trade.
But look at this. But look at this. Look at where this previous high was at. The point of control was actually chilling here before. It actually is going up to this previous low.
AJ,
And you
I'm
see how
proud
this-
of
hold
you,
on,
bro.
This level was the
300,
floor, and then it was the ceiling. It double bottomed. I entered like here. Like,
dude.
come on.
$300, bro. That's a freaking huge win on here. Congrats, helping yourself, the team. I love it, bro. I love
Hey,
it.
it's all about the team, guys. Come on. Teamwork
I
makes
love
the
it.
dream work.
And then Army
Yeah.
Piper going with $5 more, actively trying to go broke today. Bro, I'll never go broke. I spend smart. I make it quick. Unless it's an XRP trade on a dare, on a side note. How much are the NFTs going to be? The NFTs, Army, are 0.2 each. And Army is giving, dude, Army's giving away a whole slew of stuff. He's doing a 1 hour one-on-one. He's doing, what else did Army say he was going to
access
do?
to the Discord,
Access to the Discord.
with all their classes.
16
it's like
hours
20-something
worth of
classes. Yeah.
Something
And
number.
they're getting Chart Prime, I believe, for a month for free.
Yeah, he was doing a whole bunch of stuff. So shout out to Army. Thank you very much.
Yo,
Army,
quick question, Keeper. So
Yeah.
like I say, like, you know, the show ends, right? And I have
Okay.
like $4,000 on my
Uh-huh.
ZoomX account. I get to keep that, right?
You
That's
get to
right.
keep 3,000 of
All
it.
right.
Yeah,
So no
anything
matter
over
what I make in profit on this show, I'm giving to the community, all of it.
Damn.
All of it.
That's huge.
I'm strapped. I'm strapped. It's all for you guys.
I'll do the same. I'll do the same thing.
Frankie's
Oh,
gonna give it
let's
away
get it,
too.
Frank.
Look at my
Let's
team,
get it,
bro.
Frank.
The entire team. I'm doing it too, baby.
Kelly's doing it too. Good gracious. All right. I love it.
There we
I'm not
go.
going to make any damn money on this show, so I don't even have to worry about it.
Hey,
Bro's
Kelly,
like, I'll do it
I
too,
just
'cause I ain't
you
gonna
have to
make
be
nothing.
profitable to give away money. I'm kidding.
I make all my money between like 9 and 10:30 in the morning. It ain't happening at 3 in the afternoon on a fucking Thursday. So I don't. I did close out at a negative 239. As soon as you said, like, if you get liquidated, you're guaranteed to lose for your team. I'm like, shit, I can't do all the degen shit that I did last month.
I mean, the only way it's not a guaranteed loss is if the other team also has a liquidation member, then you guys kind of even out there. But if only one team has one person that liquidated completely, it's a guaranteed loss at that point because the team P&L is so low.
Yeah,
just
I
kills it.
got
It
to
does
stop
kill it.
screwing around.
I feel like this is the one because I am a big, basically I preach all the time. Like this is trading the super low time frames, actually hunting for a trade is like a great way to lose your money. But I do feel like the best way to handle this in an entertainment environment is like it's all or nothing, right? If you degen, it's like because all you have to do is make one big move. If you're able to close that in profit, you could kind of just coast the rest of the time.
That's right.
Yeah.
But it's just I think it's
I mean, it's not a terrible idea because if you put in $1,000, right, at whether it's 17x leverage or whatever it is leverage you want to use, some high level leverage, and you put a nice tight spot, right, where you're only losing about 10%, you can do that 10 trades before you lose all
one of them
$1,000.
pops like AJ's just did, right? Because AJ, what we
Yeah,
could
that
have
was a
done
nice
there
trade.
is slid that stop up and just sat on it and waited for it to freaking continue to run too. That would have also been another way to do it. But dude, you almost 3x the last freaking, so shout out, bro. Good.
I'm
good
looking
freaking-
at a link short, to be honest, dude.
Okay.
30x whole bag. Might send it. Might send it, dude. Why not?
Who's
Oh
gonna
my
pick
God.
up that AJ NFT, bro? Whoever picks up that AJ NFT is in a good.
I think I
comfortable
might
spot
do it right now. I might just do it. Like like whatever. I'm waiting for it to scalp over, bro. I'm waiting for it to scalp over. I want you guys to know that like I like the intra-hour trades and the hodls, the portfolio builds. Like I do that stuff. But when AJ trades, most trades last less than 10 minutes, and I either make a shitload of money or I get
smacked.
sucked out on my stop loss. So it's like,
Yeah, because you and
when
Ben
get
are
sucked
sitting there
out-
trading together doing the same stuff.
and when you get sucked out, like you can lose, 400 at a time, whatever. And then, you're going to, as long as you like kind of balance that risk, you're going to be fine.
When you hit, as long as your stops tight enough, you could lose 9 trades in a row and hit on
And
one
be profitable. Exactly.
and be profitable. I do agree with that for sure. Now,
Exactly.
you need to understand, obviously, everybody in the show, in the chat that's watching, please understand, we are not telling you to go mortgage your house, throw it onto
Hell no.
leverage and do anything crazy. We
No.
want you guys to be
I will
smart
the biggest
about
trade on the whole
trading,
show.
right?
Let's go, baby. I just
happened?
put the whole bag in a link short.
What up?
Oh, did you?
I'm up $9.
Which one of their mods banned me from the chat just now?
I don't know.
I don't know which one it
Yo,
was.
all right.
Which one
Link
of my
short,
mods?
whole bag. Link short,
I
whole
knew
bag,
Ben was telling you what to
22x.
do.
I'm up $3. Oh, it
Let's
just went
go.
down. We're running this. Let's go, baby.
Tell Ben,
It's up- all right,
I
it's
don't
up
even
20
think
bucks
we have.
already.
Tell Ben,
Riding
I don't
it.
even think we have mods, so I don't know. who could've
Ben, they don't have mods.
Us mods? I don't think so.
That's for you
All
know.
right, go down, Link.
All
Fall.
right.
I will say, grand scheme, I think that the price is gonna. I think it's gonna tear tomorrow.
What you think? Link's gonna tear?
I think everything's
Up
gonna go on a
41.
fucking tear tomorrow.
AJ has got a trade running
50.
again.
It's gonna just drop. Watch Link just drop down to 37.2. I'll do a backflip.
So you're in a
will.
link. You're
High-
in a
lower
link.
high. Look, lower high. Look at the Link chart. Share this tab instead. Look at this 30-second chart. Lower high, scalped over, point of control in the visible range down at this last low. I mean, if it comes down to here, we're talking a 2.5% win. Even if it just retests that low right there, we're talking a 0.85 win. I mean, I could easily ride this, make $100 and get out of the trade. I'm already up at $62. I mean, perfect scalp over. It's like nothing to it, dude. This is easy.
This is easy.
This is hilarious. I'm up 75.
Show us the trade on ZoomX.
All right. Share this tab instead. There you go. Up $80, 78.
Scroll down a little bit. We can't see it.
Oh, sorry.
There you
Crusader,
go.
check your phone real quick. I just need you to check something real quick. AJ,
I'm bailing.
Boom. All right.
Bailing.
You're
Yeah.
probably gonna end up about $40 in profit there.
Yeah, 42. I'll take it. Hey,
Hell
42.
yeah,
I'll
bro.
take it. I'll take it.
I like it.
I should have stayed in, but it started to scalp on the VWAP, and I don't play with that. I'm done. That was fun though. I made 42. No big deal.
Dave Digital $2 super chat said, "Mod me." You're gonna have to ask the technical wizard over here, Dave Digital, because that's definitely not this guy. I am not that guy. I think Crusader probably knows.
Where do you
how to
even
do
go
it.
see where the mods are?
I really, honestly, I wasn't joking when I said I didn't know that we had mods. I really didn't.
Solana looks like a good long right now. Short, I mean, good short, excuse me. Render short right now. Okay, there it is. Where's my chart? Holy shit, where's that tab? Oh my god. Where is it? I lost it. Where's my fucking ZoomX tab? Okay, there it is.
Oh, it's like Crusader. Crusader holds like 800 tabs open on his computer at a time, and I'm like, bro, just close some of them out. He's like, no, this is the way. He's like, sounds like a freaking Star Wars. Well, the Mandalorian. He's like, this is the way. I'm like, okay, bro, if you say so. All right, let's do a check-in on everybody. Kelly, how we sitting? You in a trade right now? How are things going?
Right now, I'm just trying to get into a 10x ADA short for a very quick move. I just entered, so I have a very tight stop loss on the previous high, which I think it's going to hit, and I'm going to pull out of it fairly quickly.
All right, Crow, how we looking?
I'm debating. I'm kind of watching something on a 5-minute.
Okay. All right, I'll come back to you. Forrest, still got things cooking, things looking okay. You looking to enter are you looking to exit any trades anytime shortly, or are you just liking your setup?
Just chilling right now. Might add a couple of short positions here to kind of balance out because the account's net long right now with what I added to Celestia. And that's kind of sitting just under break even right now. So yeah, just chilling. Might add some short positions before the end of the session just to hedge out the rest of the account.
All right, fantastic.
I should have did it.
Definitely.
Oh my god, why didn't I do it?
You had another opportunity.
Oh, dude, I said it out loud. I went to the chart. I clicked the button. I watched it for 2 seconds, and it went dead. I was
right in the direction you were going to go.
Yeah, of course. I have high IQ on, guys. Like, come on. It's I'm not gonna lie. I like Market Cipher beat for my oscillator all day. I'm sponsored by Market Cipher. Shout out to my boy Crypto Face. But for the top part of your chart, high IQ is amazing. It's like cheating. It's like cheating / printing money. Like, I'm not joking.
Well,
like,
actually,
I'm not even just saying that. I don't get paid by them. I just got it. I got the indicator for free, started using it. Love it.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic. And actually, that reminds me, I need to shout out our sponsors again. It's midway through the show. Actually, we only got like 18 minutes left, so don't be stupid. Use high IQ. Use high IQ, as AJ says. It's almost like cheating. Shout out to High IQ as one of our sponsors. Market Cipher, another fantastic indicator. 20% off if you want to use the link in our description. And then shout out to ZoomX for providing all of the liquidity for the show. We appreciate each and every one of our
for high IQ because I've never even heard of it.
You said where's the link?
Yeah, I've never even heard of it.
It's in the video.
The link is in the description.
I don't watch this shit.
It's on the tweet. It's on the tweet.
On the tweet and in the description.
Oh, I guess I'll look at the tweet that I'm constantly being pushed to tweet out.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Damn slave drivers.
Here we go. Now, let's see. We got 260 people in here. Have we passed 200 likes? I'm hoping we've passed 200 likes.
We have not. We are at 158 likes, guys. Smash those likes. Let's get to 200. Come on.
Let's get to 200. And then, yeah, guys, thank you all for the super chats. Everybody's been doing super chats to jump on to the show, Flip or Hodl
for tomorrow. Tomorrow already, dude.
Yeah, Ben Coin is giving away $1,000, so he's gonna have the opportunity to win $1,000 in Ben Coin tomorrow. Super excited to have Dave Brumblebow on. Shout out to you, Dave, if you're in the chat. Thank you for being a longtime supporter. And then we're gonna continue to rock on and move
I'm gonna
forward in
quickly
that
show
number.
here what
Yeah.
Flip or hodl is, so people can.
Yeah, so it's just like deal or no deal. So basically, we will pick a box. You pick a box. Okay, you pick 21. Now that's our case. Now we open 5 other cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then
Lost $1,000
ooh,
already.
you lost 1,000 already.
Wait.
Okay, AJ.
Render long,
Yep.
24x up, $93.
Uh-oh, he's rocking and rolling, baby.
Go. Okay, I'm bailing. That was crazy. That was crazy.
I'm
Zoom
bailing.
Where is it? Wait, I lost it. I don't even know where it is.
Oh, you are in the. There you go. Yeah.
I clicked it and it started off at up 100. I can't see it.
You have to actually
Close
be
P&L.
in. You got to go in the actual. You got to be in the actual asset to look at it under your under your history.
There's nothing on this high IQ. It's just like buy it, but there's no like information or anything about it.
Hold on a second. Let me see.
It's because if you're high IQ, you know what it is.
I'm not that smart.
Order history.
But yeah, guys, long story short, this is our version of deal or no deal. You're playing along 5 rounds, start picking some money, some cases. You get to flip it or hodl it, bank offer, keep on going, keep it going, try to win as much money as possible. This is what we're going to be playing tomorrow. And, somebody hopefully is going to be able to win $1,000.
Yeah.
Crow, I sent you some love on your phone, bro. Just wanted to let you know. Okay, so chat. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Thank you guys for being here. It is Thursday. You could be anywhere, but you are hanging out with your boys at Crypto Wars. We have rebranded. We are no longer Debate Crypto. We are Crypto Wars. So we got a $10 super chat from Caffeinated Crypto. Says Bing Bong.
Hey.
We got some work for you. Army Piper dropping in. Watch Army Piper's super chat.
Okay, hold on a second. I haven't seen it.
Yeah, go read it. Put you to work.
Okay, hold on a second. I gotta let me put who just gave the $10 Caffeinated Crypto?
Caffeinated Crypto. Guys, you're gonna see how Crypto Keeper struggles with technology.
Okay, I'm going back. All right.
Come on.
Let me see. I'm trying to scroll.
Long time before the show ends. Let's go. Come on.
Oh my good gracious God.
Pull it up.
Oh my God. Army, what are you doing to me, dude? Like, oh my God.
Put everyone's name on the wheel that replies Bing Bong in the next 60 seconds. Start typing, my friend. Start typing. We got a lot of Bing Bongs coming in. Let me tell you.
Good God. Listen, I'm saving the chat and going back in there and doing exactly as Army's asking. Army's giving me homework tonight. Army, thank you for the super chat, bro. We appreciate you, bro.
That's good. After all the work I did with these NFTs.
Now it's my turn. Now it's not my turn. Army Piper, you are the man, bro. Look forward to seeing you on the show next week. We appreciate you. All right, let's see here. We've got 13 minutes left on the show. Who knows they are in profit right now? I know AJ is heavily in profit unless he did something wild in the last couple minutes and didn't let us know. So, Kelly, you in profit?
Not in profit at the moment.
Okay, not in profit at the moment. Crow, you in profit?
Hell no, man. I just lost another $100.
So he said, hell no. Forrest, you're still in profit, yes?
I think we're up like $8. We're at 11.54.
Okay, cool. AJ, I think you're up like 250 something bucks, I think, right? Total? You're muted.
I hit my mute, but I like to hold the microphone, and sometimes I hit that button. But yeah, I'm in profit 252.
Oh,
so
I actually remember the correct number. All right. Frankie, how we sitting?
Still sitting exactly where you left me last time.
Which
just will not
was
move, just straight line, basically break even.
You're basically at break even right
down
now.
$2 or $1.
All right.
$2.07.
AJ propping the team up today, but this is a team effort, so that's what it's all about.
$10 Crypto dropping another $10 super chat saying, someone give Frankie his special water.
Frankie, what's in the special
Cactus
water,
moss water?
What is in the special water? What is it?
I don't know, but it makes it,
I
it
can't
makes it
say.
trade
I can't
profitable.
say, or I'll get whacked.
It's some special water. All right. When most people, their special waters like in a coffee mug. I've got somebody that I'm not going to shout out on the show, but carries around a coffee mug like this, and you bet your ass it's full of freaking Jack Daniels because they've got some issues that need to be taken care of. So it's not that kind of special water, is it, Frankie?
Well, I got that special water right here.
That's for later, right? That's for a little bit. It's
That's
five.
in the mug.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I mean,
That's right.
all right.
Army
I
probably
really do
do another
like
super chat.
guys,
$5
really
super
fast,
chat.
that cast
AJ can lock
along.
the button in settings. Congrats on the trade, my friend.
Look,
What do you say? You
show
can
my
lock that button
screen.
in settings. What do you got? Pull his screen
This
real
is
quick.
that
'cause I'm
cast
having
belong.
to
I never should have left it. I bailed right here at 13.1.
Yep.
2% above that. I should have just rode that. I should still be in that trade.
No, we should have
I
just slid the
no
stop up.
balls.
Should
I
just
have
slid.
no balls, dude.
No, you should just slid the stop up.
Nah, that's boring. Who does that, dude?
That's boring.
Come on, dude. That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it, bro.
Nah, keeper. That's a really solid way to keep my profits. But who wants to do
I
that?
was just saying that, like sometimes when you're up big, like you're right, moving the stop loss up obviously does make sense. But like when you're up big, it's just like because you don't want it. Because if it turns around like a 0.5%, you're gonna hit your stop. And then it's just like it'll continue up because it'll try to like find your stop loss. I always feel like when I have a really tight stop like that, like when I move it up into a trade,
Oh, it hits
it always will find it before it
Yeah.
goes up. And I hate feeling
Yeah.
like that.
I
And
think
that's why I
Coach
said
Keeper.
that.
I think Coach Keeper told you to slide it up to $100. Is what Coach Keeper said. I didn't tell you to get within like a tight stop loss. Just to
Well,
be
Coach
clear.
Keeper, how do you feel about me going 30x long whole bag on render right now? Look at the chart. Look at the chart.
Look
Look,
at the
double
chart.
bottom ID again. We got the point of control above where we are.
I'm going to trust you, AJ. There's a reason I brought you on to the show. There's a reason we brought you on. You don't want my opinion on this.
Go for it, bro. You got 10 minutes left in the show to trade. Make it
Listen,
happen.
It's
don't
going
listen
down.
to
I'm glad I didn't do it right there.
There we
AJ,
go.
jack us up $1,000. We'll get
There we
you'll
go.
be ahead of it. They'll never be able to come back. It'll be done. It'll be over right
No,
now.
You see
You
where
do
that's
have
going?
a point. I shouldn't
is-
have bailed. That last trade I got out of in a hurry was a render short. I got in it can you see the screen? I got in here and it came down and then it started to come up. So I got out before it went up. But if I would have
Mhm.
just ate that like 0.2% and waited, oh man, dude. That
What
would have
kind of
been
a
30,
time
another
frame are you looking at?
30%.
What kind of a time frame are you looking at there?
30
He's
seconds.
looking at 30 seconds.
Okay, I knew it was a really short time frame. I just didn't know how short. I couldn't see.
Yeah, you got to pay for TradingView Premium to get into the second.
To get into
Because
the seconds.
I always start zoom out completely, like day chart, 6 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and zoom all the way into the 30-second. Because you can have a trade idea on the 15-minute or the 2 hour or whatever. And then if you're going to time it right, I mean, you got to zoom in as far as you can go.
Yeah, I remember you and I actually had that conversation down in the Bahamas. AJ.
In the
I think we were
Bahamas, yeah, I
talking about
remember
that.
talking to you about that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, no, that's definitely, everybody's got their own trading strategies and things that work for them, things that don't work for them. Some people like to scalp trade. Some people are obviously just day traders. Some people are, you know what I mean? Like everybody has their own different thing that they are good at. Kelly, what would you say is your specialty in trading? What kind of trading do you like to do?
I like doing I would say 1 week to 6 week trades,
So swing trades.
Yeah, swing trades. I do like scalping a bit on the weekends, but with much smaller portion of my bag.
Okay.
But with that, very similar to how AJ is trading right now. When I'm doing that, it's like straight degen. I go in and I'll do 30x while I'm watching a football game, just looking at the 1 minute chart, playing very small time frame patterns and watching for breaks.
All right,
My guy.
fantastic.
That's how it's done.
Crow, I know you've got your indicator that's been rocking and rolling. You've been making money off camera.
That's my
doing your thing.
problem. I when I'm not trading on the show, I'm actually using it. When I'm on the show, I ignore it completely because things don't trigger quickly. So it's not really like I'm gonna sit and scalp and make some quick money this hour. You know what I mean? It's probably not going to trigger within an hour just because you want it to. So I'm like trying to eyeball shit and it's not going well.
Yeah.
Matic
Forrest, what kind
short
of
doesn't
a
look bad.
what kind of a trader are you, Forrest? If somebody asked you that,
I'll do whatever. Really just depends on market circumstances. So like right now, it's definitely scalping season. Scalping and pair trading, trading directionally, swing trading right now, like multi-day is very difficult because you've got the volatility, you've got all these big wicks coming in, liquidating and hunting those swing trader stops. 5-10% moves on altcoins in either direction.
Yeah.
So right now it's either you hedge it out with shorts on weak coins and longs on strong coins, or you get into the low time frames and just scalp the volatility. So traditionally I like to swing trade, but right now is not a great time to be doing that. Swing trading season was like the last 2 weeks, and like in the last 3-4 days it's kind of shifted.
Okay. And then AJ, you're definitely scalp trader, right? I mean,
I do it all, bro. I do it all. I like building portfolios. I like holding for years. I like holding for hours. I like going heavy leverage. I just enjoy. I love crypto. I love it. They talk about putting in your 10,000 hours. I put in my 20,000 hours on charts. So like, I just have a feel for these things, and I like to trade, and I enjoy it, and I think that's why I do good, because I'm having fun.
Well, I think that's hugely important. It's just like your business, right? Ultimately, whether you love your business or hate your business is going to a lot of times determine how that business does. Because you love it, then it's easy, right? Like it's maybe not easy, but it's ultimately rewarding, and so you want to do it more. If you hate it, a totally different story. Totally. Frankie, what's your specialty on trading, brother?
I mean, it really depends on what the market gives you. I lately have been more day trading. I was swing trading not too long ago. But it's pretty much, it really depends on what the market gives me. I will scalp the super low time frames. Recently, when we had actually show my screen, because this is actually kind of interesting. Yeah. When we had that random wild wick up, let me go ahead and share it. When we had that wild wick up on XRP, can you guys see that?
Yes, sir. Now I can.
So when we have this wild wick up on XRP, so I was actually looking for a trade on XRP for a short here, but we did not come up and hit my level, so I didn't take the trade. I didn't get any confirmations to go short here anyway, but we did wind up coming down, and then out of nowhere, I was literally sitting at my desk on my phone. I just see the candle start ripping, and I'm like, what is going on? Realized that we were probably going up to sweep some liquidity above these highs with that golden pocket backing us up. Saw it come in, and I entered that trade like within minutes of seeing it tap that level on 48x leverage, and was like up $1,000 within like I want to say like 3 minutes. It instantly dumped. Those liquidity grabs will give you instant dumps to the downside, and it was just jump in right at the top and then scoop up that quick profit. But I wound up holding it, which wound up paying me out an extra $230. But
nice.
Not too bad.
Nice. All right, so you kind of heard from the guys. We've got about 4 minutes left of trading.
Enough time to get to 200 likes. We got 187 likes, guys. We got
come on, guys. 13 more likes. We got almost 300 people in here. We can get 66% of it with likes. Come on, guys. Let's get us to 200. We need 13 more likes. Shout out to you, chat. We appreciate you all for being here. All right, so we have got Kelly a little down today, Crow a little down today, Forrest a little up today, AJ up a ton, and Frankie pretty flat still.
It's still sitting there. I might just close it at like $1, just to end it, because I got so many trades open. I'm gonna wind up forgetting about this one, and then I'll wake up or come on the show the next time. It'll either be up big or down big, but I'll probably just close it here in a minute.
Yeah,
in a Caspa short up $34. I went lower leverage for fun. Oh, it just fell down. 67, 76. Let's go. Come on.
Scroll down so we can see.
73. Should I just pull the plug, coach? Should I just pull the plug on?
Close it. Close it.
Closed it, bro. It's
the end of the show.
There you go.
Hell yeah. Scroll down so we can see
that one I was patient on that.
Scroll down so we can see it.
Flip over to Zoom X so we can see it.
Where is it?
Yeah, let me see Zoom X.
Where's the P&L? Oh, all right. I'm at $296. So I made like $50.
Made another.
So I made $300 today, basically. Hell yeah,
dude!
I'm done.
That's a huge day, dude, for sure.
Hey, guys, team, I did my part.
Yes,
hey, thanks, AJ, for making the team back everything I lost today. I appreciate that.
No problem, bro. I'm here for you.
The next episode, should we just like, I don't know, like bring lunch and hang out?
Just watch AJ trade. You mean?
Yeah.
Hey, 10:30 a.m.
Bring-
Monday through Friday. Let's get it, fam.
It looks like we need to be like this, but bring a pen and a paper and just start taking notes.
Just start copy trading him.
Just start copy trading AJ. It looks like.
So all you need to do is be this much crazy, have a lot of ADD and caffeine, and then
Well, then
That's all you
shoot, I
need,
should be a
guys.
fantastic freaking trader because that's
Yeah.
I got lots of
I
caffeine,
do have
lots
to
of
roll
ADD.
out
and
Crypto
be crazy.
Crossfire starts in 1 minute.
Yeah, tell me
and-
your total in your account real quick. What is it?
1 second. Where's that?
1,000.
Damn, I lost that tab like
two-
5 times.
1,290.
1,296.5.
Nice. Good work, AJ. Dope, bro. We love you, bro. Follow AJ Writes Crypto. His link is down below. AJ, we'll see you soon, bro. Have fun on Crossfire.
Have a good one, boys. See you later.
All right, later,
Bing
bro.
bong,
Peace
baby.
out, brother.
Good to see you, boys. Miss you guys.
All right. AJ killing it today. All right, so it is about that time. Crow, what's your number?
I don't know yet. 650.
650. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. And Kelly?
951.
951. Okay. And Forrest?
1147.
$1 up $1 today. All right. Fantastic. And Frankie?
Currently 987. I'm just waiting for this thing to currently
I'm
987.
in the middle of a short right now, too. Damn it.
Hey,
It
listen.
is officially 4 o'clock.
What a freaking day, gentlemen. Let me just take a quick second. Thank you to our sponsors, Market Cypher, 20% off, link down below. Don't be stupid. Use High IQ. AJ just was incredibly profitable with that. And then shout out to ZoomX for providing the liquidity for the stream. Want to remind everybody, tomorrow, 3 p.m., we got our boy David Brumblebow coming on to the show to win up to $1,000 in Ben Coin. So shout out to Ben Coin for supporting the show and sponsoring the show for tomorrow to do that. Gentlemen, let me just ask real quick. Anybody got anything going on that they want to let the chat know about? Kelly, I'll start with you.
No, I just got the BitLab daily streams every day, 9:45 a.m. I don't know what you guys don't do a morning show, right?
No.
All right. I just want to make sure I just wasn't promoting something that was going to eat up on
No,
your
you're
time.
good.
But yeah,
You're good.
so come check it out. Great community there. And thank you guys for having us. And thank you to everybody that's here tuned in.
Kelly, we're going to start a traders union or a YouTube union because we had the 3 o'clock time slot all by ourselves. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, everybody's going on at 3 o'clock, including Mr. Candles. But we won't get into that. Okay. No, I'm just busting balls. We had a bunch of people move to 3 o'clock. So it's been, got some competition. Crow, what do you got going on, brother?
I'm finally positive in a trade now that we're signing off. I swear to God, everything that I was waiting for when I first started.
Hold on.
This damn show
So your account is back to positive right now.
It's going. I'm positive $55 so far, but I'm going to continue on with what the hell I started with. But anyway, everyone in the chat, I love you guys too. Thanks for checking the show out. It's always a good time.
Yeah,
I don't know what the hell you asked me. I've got all kinds of shit going on. I forgot half of it, man. Every day I've got 10 different projects reporting, telling me updates. I think we are getting ready to launch Eternalized.ai though. That's getting real close.
Dude, I'm excited about mine. I'm excited about mine. It looks cool as hell for sure.
Yeah, they're almost creepy. They're so real. It's not even. We're using some tech that people haven't seen yet, and it's gonna be fucking nuts.
Well, we'll definitely have you come on and show everybody that because I'm super excited about it. My wife was thinking how creepy it was. She's like, "Isn't that kind of creepy?" I said, "Listen, not to be morbid, but if I were to die tomorrow, my daughter would effectively have a real life version of me to be able to kind of chat with." So you know, I think it's pretty freaking cool.
Exactly.
Forrest, Sistine Research. You guys got research papers dropping left and right. You guys called the huge Solana move. Anything else you got going on there, brother?
We were just dropping research here and there. So if you're ever feeling like you don't have, you're missing out, or you don't have insight into what's happening in the market, you're not sure about some opportunities, or you want opportunities sent to your inbox via research reports, then sign up for Sistine Research. It's over at Sistine.ai.
Sistine.ai. If you don't know how to do your own research, check out Sistine.ai because I know it's tough. It's tough and it takes a lot of time. Most people don't know how to do it. Frankie Candles, what's up with you, bro?
Nothing. We are going live at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every single weekday. And yeah, that's about it. I see the bing bongs in chat are overwhelming. Shout out to you guys. You guys are the best.
Trust me, I got to go back through and look at all of them. I'm very well aware. So congrats on the bing bongs, and shout out to Army Piper for giving me homework tonight. So Crypto Fam, we love you. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Be here tomorrow, like I said, for Flipper Hodl, the very first show. Super excited about that. We're going to get somebody else on the show again soon, coming up the following week. That's the game plan. We love you guys. Just remember, question everything.
Nothing.
And until next time, Hodl.
Like it's hot.
We'll see you soon.
Adios.